Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 7 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set up a pin protection on this smart band. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel, and here you can tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the pin, and tap on it, and here we can tap on the set pin and then enter the pin we want to use to unlock our device. So I'm gonna enter the quite simple one, and we need to confirm it by entering it again. And once you do it, it will say set successfully, and then you will see the option to turn off pin and change pin. This means that the pin is enabled. And now when the screen turns off on your smart band and you take it off from your wrist, so basically I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor right here for a second or two, then take it off, the band should lock. Basically the screen should be locked. So let's try again. Take off the finger, let's turn off the screen and do the same. Place the finger on the sensor, take it off, and the band should be locked now. And to use it, you will need to enter the pin to unlock it, like this. So I'm gonna enter the pin, like that, to unlock it. And to turn off the pin protection, simply open the settings again, and scroll down, tap on pin. Oh, it locked again. Let's unlock it. Open the settings, scroll down, tap on pin, tap on turn off pin, enter the current pin, and it will say pin turned off, and then you can swipe right on the screen a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the pin protection on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.